Welcome. In front of me is a Aiyato, I think that's how you pronounce it, luggage companion, which basically in simple terms is a air tag from China. And I'll just go over unboxing and a quick look at this product itself. Obviously, going for things like the air tags from China will mean that they're significantly cheaper. But one of the things that you will lose with this kind of product, meaning a fake air tag, let's call it that, is the ability to track the luggage or track the air tag more like, with the directional inputs. So air tag allows you to get a literal arrow on your phone pointing to the direction where the tag is literally located at. This will just kind of show you on the map only and won't have this directional guidance to the actual tag itself. So you might know if someone steals your luggage, for instance, you might know the general building that they will be located at, but not really exactly where they are located at. And obviously an entire building complex is a bit of a vast surface area to just find your luggage that someone probably just stole, as an example. So yeah, that's about it. Now, this one actually is a bit smaller than some other ones that I have laying around, so at least in terms of size it has some benefits, because as you can see there's one that is significantly bigger, and based on the box of this one probably will be even larger. So anyway, that's about it. Not much to it. Also not much inside of the box apart from the air tag and this little thingy thing. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.